L letter, okay, L, okay, that's the name of the letter, capital L and lowercase l. But the sound it makes in words is the L sound, L. Okay, your tongue is kind of curled behind the front of your mouth, behind the front of your teeth. L, to make this sound. Okay, so let's try and find the L sound in some words today. Okay, so lamp. L, A, M, P. Lamp. L, A, M, P. Lamp. Okay. L, A, M, P. Lamp. Okay. The lamp is bright. Okay. So this word has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. And how many sounds does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. L, A, M, P. Lamp. Okay, super. So let's go on to our next word with today's sound here. Okay, so it is liquid. Liquid. Okay. L, I, Q, I, D. Got the Q digraph in the middle here. Q. So it's liquid. L, I, Q, I, D. Liquid. Okay. L, I, Q, I, D. Liquid. Okay. There is liquid in the washing machine. Okay. Water is a liquid. Okay. Could be sentences. Okay. L, I, Q, I, D. Liquid. Okay. Super. Make sure you're saying these sounds and words with me at home, please. Okay, so let's go on to our next word. Okay, it's a longer word. Okay, you might need to split this word up into different syllables. Okay, so telescope is the word. Telescope. T, E, L, E, S, K, O, P. Telescope. Okay, telescope. T, E, L, E, tele, sk, op, scope. Telescope. Telescope. I am looking through a telescope. Okay, so there's a lot going on with this word here. So we got 2 adjacent consonant sounds, the s and k, to make a sk sound. Sk. Okay, and we also have a split digraph. The e is jumping to the o to make the o sound. Okay, so e to the o to make the o sound, and the last sound that we pronounce, say, is the p sound. Okay, so let's say it again. T, e, l, e, tele, sk, o, p, telescope. Okay, super. So let's go through them all again. Say it with me. L, 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 a, m, p, lamp, lamp. Okay, liquid, l, I, Q, I, D, liquid, and telescope. T, E, L, E, S, K, O, P, telescope. Telescope. Okay, so now for watching today, please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.